We are located within the community to be a part of the community and to serve the community. Dallas College serves as a hub for the community by being there, by being present, by listening to our partners. Good community collaboration looks like active and ongoing continuous engagement. We work with all community stakeholders. We hold listening sessions. We talk to students, often holding after hours and weekend events to ensure that we're showing up and hearing from our community, but also providing in live time what it is they say that they need to make their lives better. Dallas College prepares students to be active members of their community through their excellent instruction within the classroom, but also through opportunities for students to participate in clubs and service activities via service learning. We also have a very robust apprenticeship program that allows students to engage in real-life work in industry so that they can take that content knowledge and put it to use, hands-on practicality, so that they're prepared for their work and for their service within their community.